Hey everyone! Today we have a very effective routine that transforms your jawline to a sharp one in 7 days. Before you start, don't forget to use your moisturizer and clean your Gua Sha. Our first move is lymphatic drainage. Move down on the sides of your neck slowly and smoothly with your Gua Sha for 10 seconds. We always start our massage with lymphatic drainage, which will open the lymph nodes for a better detoxification. For the next move, we continue with the lymphatic drainage and we move to the middle of the neck, moving upwards from the bottom of our neck towards the chin and double chin area. Tilt your head slightly up so you can slide your Gua Sha smoothly without making any wrinkles. This move will also help to boost collagen production and reduce any wrinkles on the neck. Next move is for double chin. Tilt your head slightly upwards and start to glide on the double chin area for 20 seconds. This exercise will improve lymphatic drainage. As a result, it will help with burning the fat in this area, so your jawline will look more sculpted. Next move is jawline sculpting massage. With your Gua Sha, start to massage slightly corner of your jaw, moving a little bit down at the jawline. Keep doing this for 20 seconds on each side. With this move, you are sculpting your jawline and moving the fat in this area to the lymph nodes. Next move is jawline lift. Move slowly and smoothly from the chin towards your ears and keep doing this for 20 seconds on each side. This exercise will move all of the fat that we just warmed up towards the ears where we have lymph nodes. It will also lift the skin up and sculpt our jawline and face. So this was it for today's video. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and share. See you next one. Bye.